Sushi, a word synonymous with Japanese cuisine, has a history as rich and layered as its flavors. It originated not as a culinary art form, but as a means of preservation. In Southeast Asia, fermented fish wrapped in rice was a way to extend its shelf life. This precursor to sushi, known as narazushi, made its way to Japan around the 8th century. Over centuries, sushi in Japan evolved. People began to consume the rice along with the fermented fish. By the 17th century, vinegar was introduced to the process, quickening the fermentation and adding a tangy dimension. This marked the birth of something closer to the sushi we know today. Fast forward to the 19th century, Edo, now Tokyo, became a bustling hub for sushi. Street vendors sold hand-pressed sushi, known as nigiri, to busy city dwellers. This period saw sushi transition from a preservation method to a fast, fresh, and flavorful meal. The rest, as they say, is history. The beauty of sushi lies in its simplicity. A harmonious blend of few but essential components creates an explosion of flavor and texture. At its heart lies perfectly cooked Japanese short-grain rice, seasoned with a delicate balance of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. This vinegared rice, known as sherry, is the foundation upon which the sushi masterpiece is built. Next comes the star ingredient, the neta. From the freshest cuts of fish and seafood like tuna, salmon, and mackerel, to delectable options like octopus, prawn, and eel, the choices are endless. Vegetarian variations often feature creamy avocado, crisp cucumber, or pickled vegetables. Binding it all together is the nori, a dried seaweed sheet with a subtle umami flavor. Nori not only adds a unique taste but also provides a satisfying textural contrast. No sushi experience is complete without the quintessential accompaniments. Wasabi, the pungent green paste that awakens the palate, pickled ginger offering a refreshing cleanse between bites, and soy sauce for dipping and enhancing the flavors. The world of sushi is a diverse and delicious one, with a style to suit every palate. Perhaps the most iconic is nigiri, where a small mound of vinegared rice is gently pressed and topped with a slice of seafood or other ingredients. Maki, on the other hand, involves rolling rice and fillings in a nori sheet, creating bite-sized pieces. Popular maki rolls include the California roll with crab meat, avocado, and cucumber, and the spicy tuna roll. Sashimi, often mistaken as a type of sushi, is actually thinly sliced raw seafood served without rice. It is a testament to the freshness and quality of the ingredients. Tamaki, meaning hand roll, is a fun and interactive option, where nori is shaped into a cone and filled with rice, seafood, and vegetables. Chirashi, meaning scattered, features a bed of vinegared rice topped with an assortment of colorful ingredients. Finally, inari sushi offers a sweet and savory experience. Seasoned fried tofu pockets called aburage are filled with sushi rice, sometimes mixed with vegetables. Each type of sushi offers a unique combination of flavors and textures, making exploration a delightful journey. Section 4. Sushi in your kitchen, a beginner's guide. Creating your own sushi at home can be a rewarding experience. While mastering the art of sushi takes time and practice, a simple maki roll is a great starting point for beginners. For a classic cucumber maki, start by cooking sushi rice according to package instructions. While the rice cools, prepare your fillings: thinly sliced cucumber and a small bowl of rice vinegar for brushing. Lay a sheet of nori on a bamboo rolling mat shiny side down. Spread a thin layer of sushi rice evenly over the nori, leaving a small border at the top. Arrange the cucumber slices in a line across the rice closest to you. Now lift the edge of the mat closest to you and gently roll it forward, tucking the filling in and applying even pressure to create a tight roll. Once rolled, brush the exposed nori border with rice vinegar and press gently to seal. Using a sharp, dampened knife, slice the roll into bite-sized pieces. Serve your homemade cucumber maki with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger for a true taste of Japan. Section 5. Savoring sushi. Tips for a delightful experience. Enjoying sushi is an art in itself. Freshness is paramount. Opt for sushi restaurants with a high turnover to ensure the seafood is at its prime. When eating nigiri, it's perfectly acceptable to use your hands. Dip the fish, not the rice, into soy sauce to avoid it becoming soggy. The delicate flavor of the fish should shine through. Cleanse your palate between different types of sushi with a slice of pickled ginger to fully appreciate the unique flavors of each piece. Don't be afraid to try something new. Sushi offers a world of flavors waiting to be discovered. Most importantly, approach sushi with respect. It's not just a meal, it's an integral part of Japanese culture, representing centuries of tradition and culinary artistry. So, the next time you pick up a piece of sushi, take a moment to appreciate the history, the craftsmanship, and the delicate balance of flavors. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to your own kitchen, sushi continues to captivate taste buds and connect us to a rich culinary heritage. Bon appetit, or as they say in Japan, itadakimasu,